You're growing tropical looking plants in cold weather environments. Here's how traveling to some of those warmer climates can actually help you with your own garden. I spent the last few weeks traveling through the Bay Islands of Honduras. This is in the western part of the Caribbean Sea. They have lots of great palm trees there, banana plants, all kinds of flowers, and lots to see there, and even more to see underwater. It's known as a great dive location, one of the best in the world. Now, when you travel to tropical climates, spend some time looking at the plants, not just the palm trees, although you can see some great palms, but look at the plants that are around the palm trees. Take note of the colors, the shape of the leaves, the flowers, the size of the plants, and how they grow in relation to the things around them. This is going to help you when you work in your own yard. You'll be able to find plants that will grow in your area and have similar attributes to the plants in your favorite tropical locations. This will also help you create environments that look a little bit more natural, like they just happened, as opposed to a yard that looks way planned or overly engineered. I'll shut up for a minute, let you enjoy some of the plants that I found in Roatan and Utila, as well as some video from a small plant nursery that I stumbled upon in Coxen Hole on the island of Roatan. Unfortunately, it's back to reality for me. We have several weeks of cold rain ahead of us before it really starts warming up around Seattle. Things are starting to wake up a little bit, and it's time to start clearing up the mess that winter left for us. I'm also planning spring projects, and I've just completed a new paver patio at the beach house, and I will be planning a number of things around that patio, including some palms and smaller bushes and flowers. What projects are you planning for the spring? Leave a note in the comments and let me know what you're working on.